Hello and welcome to English listening practice from Fluent Story. If you are a beginner, this podcast is perfect for you. I will speak slowly and clearly to help you understand. My name is Amelia, and I'm your host. I'm 18 years old. Today, we will talk about how you can learn English easily and enjoy the process. Learning a new language might feel hard at first, but you can do it. With small steps and regular practice, you will improve every day. Are you ready? Let's get started. Believe in yourself. The first step to learning English is to believe in yourself. You might think, English is too hard, or I can't do it, but let me tell you something. You can learn English. Everyone starts as a beginner. Even the best English speakers were once learners like you. All you need is time, effort, and patience. Think about why you want to learn English. Maybe you want to travel, make new friends, or get a better job. These goals can help you stay motivated. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. If you feel nervous about speaking or making mistakes, don't worry. Mistakes are a part of learning. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. Be kind to yourself and celebrate your progress. Here is an example. Imagine you try to say, I like to cook, but instead you say, I like to cookie. That's okay. You learn the correct word is cook, and next time, you will say it correctly. Every mistake helps you grow. Even the most fluent speakers still make mistakes sometimes. So, don't be too hard on yourself. Start with simple steps. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. Start with simple steps. For example, you can learn 5 new words every day. Write them down and practice saying them out loud. Use these words in sentences to help you remember them. Let's try this together. Imagine you learn these 5 words. House, water, happy, family, and car. Now make sentences like these. My house is small. I drink water every day. I am happy to learn English. My family is kind. I drive a car to work. Another simple step is to practice listening. You can listen to English songs, podcasts, or videos. Even if you don't understand everything, it's okay. Your brain is getting used to the sounds of English. Over time, you will understand more and more. You can also try keeping flashcards. Write the English word on one side and the translation in your language on the other. Review these flashcards during your free time. Little actions like this can build your vocabulary quickly. Read and guess new words. Reading is also a great way to learn. Start with short stories or easy books that if you see a new word, try to guess its meaning from the sentence. Then look it up in a dictionary. This will help you learn new words and how to use them. For example, if you read, the cat is on the chair, and you don't know the word chair, you can guess it means something the cat sits on. Practice every day. Consistency is the key to learning English. Try to practice a little every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes can make a big difference. You can write a diary in English. Write about your day or your plans for tomorrow. For example, today I went to the park. It was sunny and warm. Watch a short English video and try to repeat some sentences. If you hear, how are you? Pause the video and say it yourself. Talk to yourself in English. For example, say, I am cooking dinner. I need to go to the store. This helps you think in English. Daily practice helps your brain remember what you learn. It's like exercise for your language skills. The more you practice, the stronger your skills will become. Remember, language learning is like planting a tree. You won't see results in one day, but with water and care, it will grow tall and strong. Find fun ways to learn. Learning English should be fun. Find activities you enjoy. For example, play games in English like word puzzles or language apps. Apps like Duolingo make learning feel like a game. You can earn points and set goals. Watch your favorite movies or shows with English subtitles. Let me know if you'd like the script in a visual format like a Yout. Make learning fun with what you love. For example, if you like cartoons, watch them in English. You will hear simple words and sentences. Sing along to English songs. Music makes learning fun and helps with pronunciation. Try singing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star or other simple songs. Join an English-speaking group or class. Talking to others makes learning more exciting. You can share ideas and learn from each other. You can also try to connect English learning with your hobbies. If you like cooking, read recipes in English. For example, search for how to make pancakes and follow the instructions. If you enjoy sports, watch games with English commentary. Learning is easier when you enjoy the process. Celebrate your progress. Don't forget to celebrate your progress. Treat yourself when you achieve a goal, like learning a new set of words. Maybe enjoy your favorite snack or listen to a song you love. Don't be afraid to speak. Speaking is one of the most important parts of learning English. Many learners feel shy or afraid to speak. They think, what if I make a mistake? Or what if people don't understand me? But remember, everyone makes mistakes. The more you practice, the better you will become. Start by speaking to yourself.